Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling daily cash and confirming accounts so rewards flow immediately. Open Wallet, tap Apple Card, and follow on-screen prompts. Grant Face or Touch ID for security. Once done, make sure Apple Cash is set up because daily cash lands there by default. If you prefer bank transfers, link your bank now so you can move funds later. These first steps unlock earning. Do them now so every eligible purchase starts accruing cash back automatically. Next, focus on how to maximize and monitor daily cash. Use Apple Pay for everyday purchases to get 2% back, and the physical card when Apple Pay isn't accepted for 1%. Buy Apple products directly for 3%. Once you spend, open Wallet and inspect recent transactions. Daily cash credits appear alongside purchases so you can reconcile rewards. Make sure to use merchants that accept contactless payments to maximize. Finally, use or move daily cash. Spend it from Apple Cash, send it to others, or transfer to your bank. To transfer, open the Apple Cash card, tap Transfer, input the amount, and confirm with Face/Touch ID. Transfers may take 1-3 business days. If you don't see expected daily cash, first check purchase dates and that you use the correct Apple ID, then confirm Apple Cash setup. If problems persist, contact Apple support because they can trace credits and fix account link issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.